Do you save special notes and cards that's been sent to you? Meet Rosie. She's my 92-year-old grandma who has sent me mail as long as I can remember. Does she live far away? No, she lives in the same town as me, but she still loves to send me a word of encouragement. So now I'm sending one to her with our picture included, just to let her know how much I appreciate her. I always say no to sending out naked envelopes, and that goes for the back too. And let's make it extra special. Let's add a wax seal with some gold embellishments. And she's always taught me to love Jesus, so she's going to love this. And while we're at it, let's add some washi tape and some stickers. It adds color to the back, more interest. A couple memories of Grandma is when I would go visit during the summer, she would always love taking me to her church, and I loved playing cards and dominoes with her. And how about a little message on the outside of the envelope, reminding her how much I love her. I can't wait to pop this in the mail to her to brighten her day. And now I want to encourage you to do the same for someone else, and let me know who that's going to be in the comments.